Hi, I'm Celeste Dyer and I'm the library director, and I would like to share with you one of my favorite children's authors, Mo Willems. He writes a series of books about Elephant and Piggy. Elephant's name is Gerald and he worries a lot. Piggy's name is Piggy and she's rather happy-go-lucky. Their first book is called There is a Bird on Your Head. The story opens with a bird flying down and landing on Gerald's head. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Gerald's very upset. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I bet you know why. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? I don't think Gerald thinks that's good news. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! I think Gerald's a little upset. Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. Bye. It worked. Well, now Gerald's happy. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. But where did the birds go? You're welcome. Now Piggy has them on her head. The end.